Explosion, nearly 200 million rand to repair Joburg's Bree Street. 6 months after a gas explosion ripped through Lillian Ngoyi Street, commonly known as Bree Street, the City of Johannesburg has announced that repairs to road will soon begin. The blast, which occurred in July last year, was caused by an explosion to underground pipes, damaging buildings and around 30 vehicles, and by luck no fatalities. The repair work, which is expected to be completed this December, comes with a hefty 198 million rand price tag, according to Joburg Mayor Ngwenya. Ngwenya is however hoping the explosion to be declared a disaster in order to access funds from the National Disaster Management Center. Simultaneously, the city has submitted a disaster declaration application, seeking funding for the rehabilitation work. Despite the ongoing finalization process with the province, recognizing the urgency, the city has reallocated its budget to expedite rehabilitation efforts, says the mayor. The bill expected to cover professional fees and construction costs, roadworks, stormwater and services infrastructure, electrical, mechanical, and structural works. The city has hired Duropi Consulting, and the contractor is Step Up Engineering. In an effort to prevent future explosions, the city says it has plans to upgrade other service tunnels around the metro. The city is actively assessing other service tunnels throughout the municipality to prevent future incidents. Designs for their upgrades are expected to be finalized in June 2024, with actual upgrades scheduled for the 2024 to 2025 financial year. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.